Today on the Relic Rangers, we got an awesome permission. We are by an old railroad track here. It's still in use, but back in the day, they used to use it for hauling old growth timber. And so this property that we're on was used for a bunk, so it would provide shelter for all the employees that work for the railroad company. And we were hoping that it's got good potential. It has really old apple trees, and also, I mean, it's right next to the railroad line, so it's got really good potential. We're really excited, and it's very, very cold. Today is our first really cold day of the year, December 6th. Might not be as cold as the East Coast, but for us over here, it is very cold. So bear with us. It's very chilly. We'll be sniffling today. Okay, check back with us and hopefully we have some good finds to show you.
Oiled by the Illuminati.
All right. Just dug I don't think it's old enough to be a Tootsie toy, but cool tiny little car. Looks like it might be a Corvette model.
It's a mixed bag right now for us, so we're trying though. On to the next hole.
So Andrew just found an old, like a vintage jar.
It's intact. It's a screw cap. It's not real old, but
Still though.
a cool color to it.
Yeah.
No cracks in it or anything. So between two old crabapple trees that were planted a long time ago.
We'll take it.
All right, we'll keep going.
And there's the railroad tracks. Andrew's got a tone here. We didn't know. We don't know what it's gonna be, but you just never know around here what you're gonna dig up. So we figured we'd film it just in case. It's a cool relic or something.
So I know they use this railroad as a bunkhouse for the employees, but maybe it was also bunking bank robbers, because look what I found. I got a piece of a gun. I think it's a toy gun. But first, when I pulled this, I found the cylinder separately. But if you look at the cylinder, it looks like it's fully loaded. But I think it's a toy. And then right here,
Pretty realistic, that part.
there's your handle. It's got a longhorn on it. Got a Relic Rangers star there on the side of it.
That is so neat.
So that was my first culture plug under an old apple tree. So we'll keep plugging along and looking for relics. The old train bunkhouse.
Alright, I just dug, it looks like a piece of jewelry. I don't know if it's a piece of junk jewelry or there's more in it, but here's part of it. Looks like I got hit by the lawnmower too. Totally plated. I bet you that was that's a locket. Looks like a locket. Based on that piece right here. You could open up. So I don't know. But you can see the plating's coming off of it. Just a piece of junk jewelry. Bam, though. Still fun to find. Yep, I should use my pinpointer before we turn it off because here's the rest of it. Or it looks like it. There's make sure there's no more. Oops. Yeah. Well, that was it. Just running in the upper 70s. But sweet. So it looks like it was probably just hearts, 2 hearts together, and 2 hearts make 1. Isn't that just sweet?
Just dug. The second one. Is 91, and the first one was a 2000. 2 Kennedys and 1 yard.
Nice.
Cool. Maybe we'll find some older ones.
Okay, so yeah, I got this weird tone as a mid-tone, and then I got a high tone when I pulled the plug, and then there was this long nail in the bottom, and then I checked the plug and pulled out this old shotgun shell, which gives us hope that we're still gonna find old things in here. So like I said earlier, mixed bag. All right.
Got a signal here, and it's an old buckle.
Cool.
Cool. Little relic. Keep going on to the next.
Okay, well I was just walking and I just swinging randomly, and I got this tone. I looked down, and what do you know? So I think it's a belt buckle or something here. Oh, it is an old belt buckle. Look at the back of that. Let's see here. Let's see the front. Oh, it's a train? What is this? Come on. Let's see. Let me get. You guys got a brush handy, toothbrush?
Toothbrush?
I don't have one.
I have one. It's somewhere in this abyss of my trash and this. Well, we can spray it, I guess.
There's something on it.
Yeah, it does.
Something
It
20.
says breaker, breaker. Oh, what's your 20? Which is radio lingo for what's your location. So I guess here we go with CB. Then we got a CB radio. Come on, breaker, breaker. What's your 20? CB is our citizen band, and there's the antenna with the electricity or the lightning bolts coming out of it. I would assume this is quite old. Sweet. In Relic Rangers with a good relic.
Belt buckle fist bump.
Yeah. Yeah. You never know what you're gonna dig up.
Did you see that blue bottle we found over
I
there?
did see that.
This would be a good place for surface finds.
Hey, you found it. You got to do the intro to it. We both saw it at the same time, but
We're both like, I don't think it's old, but
What do you have there? Is
Tag
that
off of the runner.
is that some aqua velvet?
is it?
Is that an antique bottle of aqua velvet?
Could be.
I
Could
don't
be a
know.
little bit of Brut Fabergé. Brut 33.
There you- What does the bottom say?
It's got some numbers.
Just numbers?
Yeah, I don't think it's very old.
Nice purple stone on there. Don't know what it is, but pretty neat find.
That could be one of those rare.
Are you able to zoom in on the 925?
There it is. I can see it. Yeah. Good
Cool.
job.
All right. Silver fist bumps.
Silva. All the way around. Cool. You got the scent.
That's right. And when it's cold outside, you have silver snot too.
So down and dirty here. I won't steal your thunder.
It's Papa Rosie. We're in the 1900 house right across from a school in a small town, and Papa Silver. We'll rub Rosies. We'll rub the heck out of Rosies. We'll rub their necks right off.
Kind of 1950.
1950. Cool. That was a good year. awesome. All right, on to the next. Sounds like it's about 4 inches deep. It's right here. There it is right there. Looks like it could be a buffalo. It's an old nickel. See it?
Mm-hmm.
It's a Jefferson. Ah, it's a Jefferson. Oh well. Cool. Jefferson nickel. Looks like an older one.
I got this wheat down here, so about the width of my hand, or depth of my hand. I think it's a teen. It looks like it might be a 1916 or 1910. It's hard to tell if this. I gotta get it cleaned up some more. Maybe you can zoom in and get a better look and see a date because of the zoom.
No.
All right, well, so something like that. Anyway, it's an oldie.
All right, 4 inches high tone right here. Got some depth. There it is right there. Silver. Yep. Looks like it anyway. Is that silver rim?
I don't know what that is. You might have nicked it with your shovel.
Oh, I did. Oh, it's a tax token.
Oh, yes!
I nicked it with my shovel. Oh, man. It sounds so nice. Every time. There. Just like this. I mean, you never know these yards. These old yards, you could have an old silver coin up to the top. It's right there.
It's a quarter.
Yeah, it's in Washington.
I got a consistent 1147.
That sounds good. 47. Oh, yeah, that sounds great on the. That sounds great on the E-track. That sounds like silver to me. It's towards you a little bit. Right there. How deep?
It looks like it's about 6 inches.
Cool.
5 inches.
There's your center. Let me take your detector.
Yeah.
Oh, see what you got there.
Can I have a pinpointer? Ooh, it's right here. It just popped out.
The silver? Oh, no. No way. Virginia, what'd you get there? Oh, no way. Virginia just got a standing Liberty quarter on a live dig.
It's a
No way. Good job, Virginia.
It's a 1929.
Oh my God. Congratulations, Virginia. Standing Liberty quarter on a live dig. Is that your first one?
Wow, it was good soil, sandy.
Popped right out, didn't
Yeah.
it? Nice job.
Wow, no pinpointer or anything.
Good job. Congratulations.